Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another BOXYCHARM video. Again, it is late, even though it's not the end of December. I mean, we're getting there quick. By the time I edit this video, it's gonna be the end of December. This is my December box. So I know y'all saw my November box a few days ago. I'm not sure. I think it'll be out tomorrow, which is a Monday. Today is Sunday. By the time I get this edited, it'll probably be... I'm going to try to get it up by the end of the week. So 2 videos in 1 week, which is unlike me. Here is the box. Woo! This month's theme is bubbles and glitz. So here's your information card with the product names and the prices. First is this Artist Kosher Caliente palette. Ooh. I like the names of the shades. Cultura, Fuego, Vibras, Mangorita, Rumba, Brillo, Mamacita, Sensual. Let's look at the shades. So here are the shades. They are really, really bright. They are beautiful. I tried to film this the other day, but it didn't work out. So I did swatch a couple of these shades, but I'm going to go ahead and do it for this video again. They're pretty vibrant, so get ready. See that? Put it in my handy dandy arm. Wow. Right. Now I'm going to try a couple of the shimmers. So here are these shades. That last one right there is kind of chunky. So there's those. Those are shimmers. That chunky one is like a peachy, shimmery shade. Not bad, not bad. Now let me wipe these off my arm. Oh my god. Next up is the Glamnetic Lash and the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. I got the lashes in Baby Girl. They are very, very pretty. The band feels a little hard. I'm scared, y'all. There's gonna be magnets next to my eyeballs. Optimal results: apply Glamnetic lashes onto liner once 80% dry. Do not use liner on waterline or lower lash line. So here's the brush. Let's just put like a... I wonder if it dries matte. Probably not. I don't know. Since it's like a magnetic. It's pretty dark. It makes me nervous. I wonder how much the lashes alone are if you already have the eyeliner. Next is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Made with kombucha, ginger, prebiotic, brightens, nourishes, and hydrates. So here's the box. And here's the bottle. So there it is. It's no creamy. Here comes the train. It smells nice. Let's hope it's not one of those smells that linger and give you a headache. Kind of reminds me of... I don't know if you see a nice little glow, but I see a nice little glow in person, especially comparing the hands. It's a little sticky still, but I guess it's still drying. This would probably be 80%. Just gave it time to dry. It feels nice and soft. It still feels a little sticky, tacky, so I don't know if it's gonna stay like that while it's on your eye the whole time, or does it ever completely dry? Next is this MAC Cosmetics Creme Sheen Lipstick. I got the shade Crosswires. Let's see what it looks like. I've never had a MAC lipstick. Gasp, gasp, gasp. I'm not a big sheen or satin lipstick wearer. I wish it was matte. Just try it out for the sake of the video. So it's nice, it's pretty. Here it is in the tube. Smells good. I don't know if these are new or if they're just trying to get rid of stock, but... Okay, last product, the Eloise Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. Here's the box. Looks like a nail polish. Shade is Pure Gold. That little applicator, almost like a liquid lipstick. And we're just gonna put that there. That's really pretty. Oh, now to try all of this stuff on my face. I'm gonna try to hurry before I lose light because I procrastinated today. I'm gonna start with the moisturizer on camera, and then I'll just skip the rest until I get to the other stuff on the box. So here's the... Wait. I don't even know how much to put. I feel like I need more. Okay. I used to really love the matte look for like foundation, but now that I'm getting older, skin has more texture. I'm really trying to avoid that matte look because it will emphasize every wrinkle, and I'm getting dry patches, and you know, our skin changes, especially now that it's winter. There's that. It's definitely glowy. Either I need to exfoliate or I don't know, but it's definitely like holding on tight to them little dry patches I was talking about. I just primed my eyelids, put my eyebrows on. I'm gonna just go ahead with this shade at the end. Oh gosh. I swear it was brown in the palette. I'm using that yellowy mustard, I don't know what to call it, shade. I believe that one is Mangorita. Excuse the train. I'm gonna go in with the shade I used for my crease shade, Rumba, and that's gonna go on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with this liquid gold, Pure Gold by Eloise. I don't work with liquid shadows, so I have no idea what to do with this. Just bear with me, folks. Now with this gold shade right here, the shimmer shade, I'm gonna go with my finger and tap over the liquid gold. It's already dry. Weird shaped brushes come in because they get right in that corner, especially if you have long nails. You could see the difference in shades. Like this side has the shimmer on top of the liquid. This one doesn't, but this is popping more. This one's more of like it's shiny, but it's just not popping. I mean, the gold is obviously, this is really yellow, the shimmer anyways. So it's kind of an ombre effect. And just for shits and giggles, I'll blend a little bit more here at the ends. Okay, now for the scary part, the eyeliner. I'm super nervous about this. Hopefully it goes on smooth. Smells like magnets. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry some. Get some of this fallout. I don't even know when this is 80% dry either. I wonder if when you take it off, it's gonna pull any of the eyeliner off. Ew. Oh, but fascinating nonetheless. Mascara on my I should have though. I don't want to put any mascara on the actual false lash. Ew, it feels weird because I'm not used to falsies. I'm gonna add a wing with my tattoo liner just to give it some ba-ba boom. I'm not sure what I did last. I don't know where I left off. But I'm gonna do my lip liner and then I'm going to put on that lipstick. Okay, 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 okay. Here we go. Well, it's not too bad. Once I did this, it's not as like sheen. What do y'all think? Well guys, this is the final look. Let me take off my glasses so you can get a good look. Lashes with glasses, it's not my thing. I'm gonna give you my final, I guess, thought on each product. The moisturizer, I would probably still use my everyday moisturizer underneath it because it did like kind of catch on to all my dry patches. So if my skin was already moisturized, then that on top of my daily moisturizer would probably have worked a little better. Then again, since then my oils have kind of mixed and it doesn't look as dry. But then again, the sun went down, so it's not, I can't really see my skin as great. I know that doesn't make sense, but it's just such different lighting with the natural light. The eyeshadows were very easy to blend. They're very vibrant. You have to go in with a really light hand and just work your way into however pigmented you want it to be. The shades are beautiful. It's more of like a summery palette for winter. I'm more of a natural like browns, bronzes, and for the summer I would probably use more like oranges and reds. This stuff right here is beautiful. I like how it went on. I really don't use much gold. I don't know if I'll even ever use this again. It was nice to try out, but I don't know if I'll reach for it very often. I don't see myself reaching for it very often. The lashes, very interesting concept. No allergic reaction, thank goodness, so far. I'm ready to rip them off, but that's how I am with all my falsies. Like, whenever I wear falsies, I do it for pictures, for video, and then I'm just like, ugh. If I have a special occasion to go to, normally I wouldn't wear falsies unless I happen to have contacts in, which I haven't had contacts in a long time. But with glasses, it's super uncomfortable because I like to wear my glasses like right up to my eyes, and like, bless you, and it's like really hard to blink. I would have to wear my glasses like kind of like down here, and I have to like, because I might as well not be wearing glasses at all if this is what I see. But they are beautiful. The lipstick is also, it's really pretty. I put it on really lightly and I kind of dabbed it in, and that kind of took a lot of the satiny sheen out of it. Feels great. Like I said, I've never had a MAC lipstick before, so kudos, because it's comfortable to wear and it's a shade I would wear. Like, once it's on my lips, I'm like, oh, okay, it looks really pink. When I swatched it, and you know, in the tube it's like intensely pink, but on my lips it looks more of like a pinker nude. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.